Hudson and I are taking a little afternoon adventure here. We're gonna go to Johnson Lake, which is about 20 minutes from where we are camping over the summer here. So that's the trail we're gonna go check out. I think it's like a 5-mile loop. Whoops. It's like a 5-mile loop. So, or out and back, not a loop, but 5 miles total. So we're gonna go see how that is. We're really driving through some bushes right now. This is what it looks like. Oh, huts. A little suspicious. Wow, pretty cool. Pretty cool. It took me to this house, which is clearly a residence, so not where we're supposed to be. That's someone's house for sure. We're gonna have to find a different walk, my boy. We're back at the road here. We're near Rainbow Point, which we came to, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. But that just took us back to like someone's legit residence. So that's definitely not where we're supposed to be. We're gonna try and find a spot to walk around here since we're already out here. So I just re-looked up how to get to this trail, opened Google Maps again. I don't know why it took us to Rainbow Point, but apparently when I took a different turn in town instead of the exact route, when it rerouted me to the wrong spot. Don't know how that happened, but so now we gotta drive 15 minutes back this direction, and then we should be at actually the spot that Google wanted us to go originally. We'll see. We're trying to go to Johnson Lake Trail. The place we ended up just now was just someone's house. We'll see if we get to the right spot or not. Right, Huts? Right. All right, we're on another dirt road. Check out that lake. Hopefully this is the right spot. We gotta drive in a couple miles. But yeah, hopefully this is it. This looks like it might be it. Yep, Johnson Lake Trailhead. We made it, buddy. We made it, buddy. Are you happy? I'm happy. Hi. We made it. I'm gonna change my shoes and grab my backpack. Come here. Come here. He's ready to roll. All right, let's see. He's heckin' happy to be out here. I'm pretty happy too. Feels pretty warm out. Not the warmest, but for hiking wise, pretty good. Check out all these wildflowers. Is this a bear print? I hope not. That's huge. Okay, that's fun. That's fun. Hey, bear. More flowers up there. There's horse prints all through here. Hudson just hiked right through the mud. I don't know if you can see his feet. They are insanely dirty right now. Now I gotta try and get around this without getting completely muddy. Oh, this is gross. Okay. We're trying. Don't sink in the mud like that. Frick! Frick. Gross. 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 Okay. Alright. 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 Go, Huts, go. Go, Huts, go. Alright, well, I didn't successfully cross it without getting muddy, but oh well. Whew. As per usual, he's found running water. This little creek here. We got dandelions up here. As long as he keeps his face out of it, his ears, we're good. Huts. Hi. Good boy. Good boy. Walking through this little set of birches. More flowers. There's the sun up there. We are like 1.6 miles into this trail. It's 5.5 miles total. So like out and back 5.5 miles. We have about, another 1.2 miles in, and then we'll hit the lake and then we'll turn around. What do we got here? Continuing on to Johnson Lake. Hudson. Hi. I told him he could go cool down in the water down there, which he's doing. Coming back up? You ready to keep going? Not yet? Okay. Okay, now you're ready? Good. All right. Good boy. I know I haven't showed a ton of it, but like the whole trail is incredibly muddy. Just tons of muddy sections to walk through, just like this. We did just pass a group of 3 hikers and they said we're almost to the top. One more little uphill section and then we should hit the lake. So that's pretty cool. Look at this trail in both directions right now. It's just a freaking mud field. It's a mud field, Huts. It's gross. Oh my gosh. Those people lied to me. But I almost met there. They meant we had like a whole mile left to go. That's not quite almost there when you only have 2.7 miles one direction. A mile is kind of significant. But now we're within 0.2 miles, so now we're almost there. We're starting to get kind of a view. We've gone up about 1,300 feet. Yeah. I think that the lake is up here. I think we're almost there. Almost. Good boy. There's the lake. It doesn't look that impressive. I gotta say, it looks more like a pond. It smells awful up here. That place that we just passed actually was a pond, I think. This is the lake right over here. Ugh, look at this nasty. Ew! Hudson, be careful. There's the lake. Come here. It smells horrible up here. Johnson Lake. You can't go swimming. No. That's it. All right, let's go hike down. See you, Johnson Lake. You were fine, but not really worth hiking to. The view was just all right. And there's a pond up here too. You got Johnson Lake over there, and the pond is back just a tiny bit this way. It smells like butt up here. There's a look at the little pond. But it's 6:45, so now we're gonna hustle back out of here. We sure are. We sure are, you muddy boy. Let's go. I'm muddy too. You came back to find me? Oh boy. This is actually a very pretty section of the trail, overlooking all these mountains. Yeah, let's go. We're going down. You're right. Stick acquired. Come on, bring it down. Nice. When we go down, you get happy. The trail curves all the way down. Look what I did to my leg. But also, look at the view of the lake up there. Less than a mile left to hike back out of here. Got super muddy, but also I'm catching some pretty cool views now. Here is the trailhead. We made it back. Woohoo! All right, adventure over. No wildlife spotted other than a squirrel and some mosquitoes. I don't know if those count. Oops, that was my bear spray. Pause. I set it on top of my car. Then I forgot it. Good thing it fell off immediately. All right, back on the road. Was that good, buddy? This is a pretty good view driving out.